Are you in need of reliable dumpster rental services in Poplarville, Mississippi? Look no further than Dirty Works Dumpsters. Welcome to Dirty Works Dumpsters, your trusted partner for all your dumpster rental needs in Poplarville, Mississippi, and the surrounding areas. We make getting rid of unwanted debris and waste easy and convenient. Whether planning a home renovation, cleaning your garage, or managing a construction project, we have many dumpster sizes to fit your needs. At Dirty Works Dumpsters, customer satisfaction is our top priority. Our dedicated team is here to assist you every step of the way, ensuring a hassle-free experience from start to finish. We take pride in providing prompt and dependable dumpster delivery and pickup services. Plus, our pricing is transparent, so you'll never be surprised by hidden fees. When you choose Dirty Works Dumpsters, you choose a locally owned and operated business that cares about our community. We're committed to keeping Poplarville and the surrounding areas clean and beautiful. So, for all your dumpster rental needs in Poplarville, Mississippi, remember the name Dirty Works Dumpsters. Visit us at www.dirtyworksdumpsters.com or give us a call at 601-258-3867. We're here to make your cleanup project a breeze. Dirty Works Dumpsters, your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Poplarville, Mississippi.